Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this in the globe. Welcome to Nana's Classic Stitches channel. If you are new, welcome and thank you for clicking. All my subscribers and returning, thank you so much. As I always say, there's more goodies coming. I'm going to be doing it one step at a time. Okay, today we're going to continue with our dress from last week. I traced it all up and I'm gonna walk you through my tracing method that I've already done and cut my pieces. So I'm gonna walk you through that and then I'll go to the machine. Okay, so give me a minute, let me adjust myself and I'll walk you through. So hold on. Okay, I'm back. Here's my color, and I've traced it all up, and then I cut my what do you call it, interfacing. I'm gonna iron it, and then I also cut lining, though I cut two of this fabric, but I also cut lining because I want it to stand out very firm, because I don't have a heavy interfacing. So I cut lining and I cut interfacing also. Yeah, and then here's my cap sleeve with the lining and the fabric. There we go. There. Now this is my front of the dress that I cut. I cut size 12. And then when I got to the hips, I started off from the waist to come out a quarter. Okay? And as I said, I added, instead of adding the 5 inches like I said before, I did 7 inches. So this is the front. Again, this is the front. And this is the back. And this is the back. See how I did the hips? I blended in, so you wouldn't even know that it's from size 12 to 14. Okay, I'm not ready to teach pattern making on this channel yet, okay, because I want a lot of the beginners to get used to using the patterns first. Then we'll talk about, maybe we'll talk about pattern making. I haven't made my decision yet, so don't quote me on that. I don't know yet. Okay, hold on, I'll be back. Okay, this is the dress. That's the front, and this is the lining, and this is the back, and this is the lining. Okay, so let me adjust myself to the machine, and maybe today we'll do the dart, and then we'll do the dart, we'll do the shoulders, and if you have time, maybe the zipper, but I'm not sure yet. Just let's do the darts and then do the shoulders, and then we'll take it from there. So hold on, I'll be right back. Hello, I'm back. I'm gonna do all the darts. I've done the lining part of it, and then I need to go press it. So it's all done, and the shoulder is all done. So I'm gonna do the main fabric, and then I'm gonna come off, go to the iron, and be back. Okay, let's go. This is the back. I hope you can see me. Okay. Don't forget to pin this dart. Pin all of the darts, and that will help you a lot. Okay, next one. Okay, the back is done. I'm gonna do the front. Almost run it off. The other side. So let's go. One more dot. And we're done for all the dots. Okay, all the dots are done, so I'm gonna go to the iron and press them all up. Okay, so this is the front. Make sure you press the buzz dot down, and then you press the center dot towards the center front, both of them. But remember, press the dot by itself before you press it down, and don't forget to press the right side of the garment. Okay, so I'll be right back. Hello there, I'm back. Okay, the shoulders are joined. I joined the shoulders. I did the dots of the back bodice, or I should say dress. I did the front. I keep picking up fabric that is hard to see on the camera, but okay, let's see. This is the wrong side. See the dot, and then I did the lining too. Okay, let's see, on the lining maybe you see more of it. Okay, I did the dot. That's the front, and then I did the back, and I did the shoulders too. Next week I will do the zipper. I think on the left hand side it goes on the side, and then we take it from there next week, the zipper, and then I'll see what I will do next. Maybe side seam, whatever. We'll see next week. Anyway, we'll continue next week. Thank you. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. Happy sewing, and bye bye for now. Bye.